Yeah, definitely. It's always great to come back home, and this is one of the biggest reasons why.
What can the crowd support do for you guys on Sunday?
We talked about it all year, just the support that we've had, and our fans have been our sixth man all the way through, and it's definitely awesome to come back home, see everybody here, rally right here at the airport. It's definitely a great homecoming, and we just want to hopefully we want to finish it in two.
Coach said you had to go steal one in Phoenix, and you did just that, even after that tough overtime loss.
Yeah, we did, and everybody stepped up last game. We were excited, came out, just extremely focused, and we know what we need to do. We got to come back home. Nobody can get too content about what we did in game 2. We got game 3 coming up, so we got to get ready. House is sold out. I think the only thing available is the nosebleed section, so I'm excited about that.
This is just a taste of what the reception's going to be like with 2 more wins.
Oh yeah, and we got to get there first, so we're gonna take it one game at a time.
All right,
Thank you.